Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, and now let's do a recap on the column charts. So far we've done a simple column chart, we've done also stacked column chart, and then clustered, and then the last one was 100% stacked column chart. So this video is just a recap on all that we've done in terms of column charts. So if you check on my screen now, you can see I have stacked column chart, 100% stacked column chart, and clustered column chart. But now what I wanted to show you is when you do away with the legend on stacked 100% and clustered, what happens. So let me just click on this stacked column chart, and then under legend I'll do away, rather under legend option here I'll do away with the country, and then again I'll apply the same on stacked column, 100% stacked. Let me do away with the legend. Again I'll go to clustered, and I'll also do away with the legend. So you see, when we don't use the legend, the chart that remains is just a simple column chart. So when you choose the stacked column chart, clustered or 100%, but you don't use the legend, the column chart will just be a simple column chart. But when you drop a field on the legend, it now changes to clustered or stacked 100% stacked column chart. And again, when you check on 100% stacked column chart, you see all the bars are same in height. It means that the data is being analyzed in terms of percentages, and again we are considering each and every year as 100% of the gross margin, rather the value that we've dropped under the values, the field that we've dropped under the values, it's being analyzed in terms of percentages, and it is considered as 100%. So when we drop values under the legend is when the stacked column bar changes to in terms of the field that has been dropped under the legend. So now if I drop country here, if I drop country under the legend, rather let me just click on stacked, 100% stacked. If I drop country under the legend, you can see the values now have changed. Rather, now we have our legend as Australia, Canada, France, Germany, UK, United States, with different percentages stacked on each other. So you must have values under the legend to see the stacked, or rather to analyze your values in terms of 100% stacked column chart. And then the same applies to stacked and clustered. So let me just bring values to our legend for both stacked and clustered. So I'll drag again the country and drop under the legend, and again I'll drag country and drop under the legend for clustered. So that's how to do a simple column chart, and again how to do clustered stacked or 100% stacked column chart. You must use the legend when you need the clustered, stacked or 100% stacked, and you don't use the legend when you want to generate a simple column chart. So ladies and gentlemen, this was just a recap on our column charts. So we'll stop at this video, and our next video will do bar charts. So let's meet on the next video.